This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Booker. Discover the highly sought-after Balmoral floor plan in the prestigious Cascades community of Boynton Beach. This meticulously maintained 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bathroom home offers a spacious and thoughtfully designed layout, along with a 2-car garage for added convenience. The remodeled kitchen is a chef's delight, featuring granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and 42-inch cabinetry, providing both elegance and functionality. The enclosed patio, designed with floor-to-ceiling sliders, expands the living space and allows for year-round enjoyment of the serene views. Additional upgrades include an updated second bathroom featuring a shower with an upgraded glass door and granite countertops. The home also features an updated air conditioner system, ensuring year-round comfort. For more information,